Do you struggle with getting your teens and preteens ready for back to school? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to review the book Where's My Stuff by Samantha Moss and Lesley Martin here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock, a certified professional organizer and the owner of Organizing Magic LLC. I post a new organizing video every Friday, so hit that subscribe button and join me each week for practical organizing tips. Like many of you, I enjoy reading books all about getting organized and decluttering, but there's a lot of them out there. So I'm going to make it a little easier for you. And today we are continuing our series on some of my favorite books that deal with getting organized. And since this is the time of year when teens and preteens are going back to school, I figured this was the perfect book. And it is called Where's My Stuff? The Ultimate Teen Organizing Guide. I love this book, and I've loved it for many years because it was actually originally published in 2007, but it was revised in 2020 with all kinds of digital information to be updated because let's face it, things changed a lot between those 2 years. Now, the book is 120 pages, but as you can tell from the cover, it has a lot of colorful illustrations and charts and graphs. So it is a quick read. It's very fun to look at, and it's even better now with all the addition of the Your Digital Life sections sprinkled throughout the book. So there's two authors to this book. We have Samantha Moss, who writes about lifestyle topics, including her own teen wellness book. And we have Lesley Martin, who's an academic coach who helps students with organization, study skills, and executive functioning. And working together, they've made a very powerful book. And like I said, this second edition has added all kinds of digital organizing tips, including digital planners, backing up files, and reducing social media distractions while studying. All things that were missing from the first edition just because of where we are in history. But they made a strong book even stronger. So, what is the main ideas in this book? Well, this book is written specifically for teenagers, whether they're in middle school or high school. The writing style is approachable, conversational. There's all kinds of fun and useful quizzes, diagrams, worksheets, and illustrations. And the book is actually divided into 4 sections. So we have getting started, school stuff, time and activities, and your room. Because let's face it, it's not just about what they're doing at school, but it's about what they're doing when they get home. Here's the book's organizing philosophy. Samantha and Lesley encourage teenagers to get organized because it will help them spend less time looking for things, reduce school stress, become more independent, manage their homework more effectively, have more free time. And the authors promote creating routines so organization becomes automatic instead of requiring constant willpower. And in addition to that, Where's My Stuff teaches systems for maintaining all kinds of things in your teenager's life. Backpack maintenance, notebook systems, locker organization, study spaces, clothing management, bedroom zones, scheduling and planning, which is where those digital tips come in, and decision making about what to keep or discard, because it's not just about being at school. It's about teaching your teenagers how to be organized, not just at school, but with their whole life. It's teaching them practical strategies that they can use while they're in middle school, while they're in high school, but beyond that, when they go out and become their own organized adults. What a great book. I'm so glad that this book was revised because it is a great resource for you and your children. I highly recommend getting a copy of this book. If you want to see my list of recommendations for other organizing books and products, I encourage you to visit the resources page of my website. And speaking of my website, I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.